Today we're going to test the Hollyland Mark 1s. They're very cool. The charging case works as a charger, so if you got your charging case charged, you can get about 3 full charges just by dropping these back down in the case. But for today I want to see how they sound on a windy beach. So right now I'm about 10 feet away from the camera. Let's see how that sounds, and I'm going to turn around and walk back and see how we sound from there. So now we're probably about 20 feet away from the camera, seeing how we sound. It's a beautiful day out here. I love it. A lot of noise, a lot of pretty umbrellas. So how we sounding? I'm going to back up a little bit more. All right, now we're probably, I'm guessing, I'm really bad with guessing, I'd say about 25 yards away. See how do we sound there. And I'm going to back really far up this time. See how we're sounding. Is it breaking up at all? Is the dead cat helping? How we sounding? All right, I'm probably a good 40 yards away now. Let's see how we're sounding now. Keep in mind, we are at the beach with the wind blowing and the waves crashing, making sounds. So how do we sound? I really like these microphones. They sound pretty good. Let's go back a little bit further. So let's see how we're sounding now. If we're sounding pretty good now, I'm just gonna walk back to the camera and let's see how we're sounding. These umbrellas are so pretty. They have yellow, green, and then mixed colors. They all look really cool, and the wind's really blowing right now, so I don't know if it's really getting through good or not. It's really not the best place to compare a microphone, but it is harsh conditions, so let's see what it does. If it sounds good here, it should sound good anywhere. So now I'm back to about where I started with the Hollyland Mark 1 microphone. So if we're sounding good, we've got harsh wind, we got waves crashing, we got everything that can go wrong. So if the microphone sounds good now, it should sound really good inside. So hey, if we're helping you guys out, click subscribe. Y'all have a good day.